Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Airdropper. So today I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw your earnings from Royal Q trading bot. Okay, so I already made I made videos before on Royal Q. The first video I introduced the app to you guys. I introduced the bot. I told you guys what it do. Royal Q is basically a trading bot which helps you trade on either Binance or your hobby wallet and makes you anything from 1 to 5% of your capital. That's your trading capital, and on some good days it earns you up to or more up to 10% of your trading capital. So with Royal Qbot, the bot helps you trade both during the bullish period and during the bearish season too. So as you can see, this morning I already made a withdrawal of about $50, and I'm about to make another withdrawal of maybe 100 or more right now to my wallet. So I wanted to just show you guys how to do that pretty fast. Okay, so to learn more about Rural Q, but you can just go to my channel and watch the videos I made about Rural Q, or you can just check the description of this video, where I'll definitely be dropping links to the previous videos I made about Royal Q. And it's Royal Q is a pretty good bot which is worth making use of to make help which to help trade with ease. Basically helps you trade with ease. Okay, and one good thing about Rural Qbot is that you don't need any knowledge, any technical analysis or financial analysis or anything to use the bot. You can use the bot with zero crypto trading experience, because it basically do all the trading for you, the buying, the selling. Okay, so to learn more you can just check out the videos on my channel. And so before we continue, I'd like you guys to do me one thing: just smash that like button if you love this content, and if you want me to do more of such content, just drop a like button. I hit the like button and go to the comment section and comment the word Royal Q, because that will really help this video to reach more people. And more importantly, if you've not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button to subscribe right now, and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notifications, so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you guys immediately, so that you'll be the first to check it out. So let's get into it. So basically what you do is, as you can see, so to withdraw your funds, that's your earnings on Rural Qbot, what you do is you go over to where it says assets. That's on your mine tab. You go to where it says assets, then you click on assets. You open up a page like this. So on this page you see where it says deposit, where it says withdrawal, and where it says transfer. So deposit is when you want to deposit on the app. Maybe you want to, that's on the bot, where maybe you want to activate the bot, or maybe you want to deposit some fuel, which is gas fee, which is the ball will use to help you trade. Oh, then the withdrawal, like the name implies, obviously this is where you withdraw. Then transfer, this is if you want to transfer to another bot or another person using Rural Q, that's on to another person's account on his app. So you use this tab. So before you withdraw from this app, basically there's some things you need to do. And the first thing is, make sure you have a wallet that supports the Tron chain link USDT. Okay, that's the Tether USDT based on the Tron chain link, also known as TRC20 USDT. So secondly, you need to go over to where it says settings, system settings, and you set a transaction password, that's which is a 6-digit number. You set it up, which will be the password which you use to withdraw, because they'll ask for a transaction password whenever you want to withdraw. So if this is the first time you want to you're withdrawing from the bot, basically you need to first set up a transaction password before you do that. So once all that is set up, so you can now withdraw. So to withdraw, you go back to asset, then you click on withdrawal. You click on withdrawal. So after clicking on withdraw, as you can see, you can only withdraw to the Tron chain link. So here where it says address, you paste the wallet address you want to withdraw to. Quantity, you put in the amount you want to withdraw, and the minimum withdrawal amount is 10 USDT, then the transaction password I talked about, then the verification code. Once you click on send, they'll send the verification code to your email, which you will copy or come and paste here, and they'll be taking 2 USDT as transaction fee for sending the for making your withdrawal. Then arrival quantity, that's the amount you receive after they've taken out their transaction fees. So let's say I want to withdraw to my trust wallet, so I open up my trust wallet, and then I'll go to my tether. As you can see, TRC20, yeah, so make sure it's TRC20 so that you not send it, because if you end up sending it to maybe the Ethereum chain ERC20 or BEP20, you might lose your funds, your tokens, that's your tokens. So make sure you send it to only send it to TRC20 tether wallet. Okay, then you click on receive, or you click on copy to copy the wallet address, then you go back to the app, that's the Royal Q app, then you paste in your wallet address here. Then on the next box, that's the film, you fill in the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw let's say maybe 120 USDT, for example. So let's make it 122, so that when they take out the fees, I'll receive 120. Then my transaction password, let me put that in pretty fast, right? Transaction password, then verification code. So let me pause this video pretty fast, go to my email and copy it before I continue the video, so that the video won't be too long. So I've gotten the verification code, I've pasted in, and now I can confirm the transaction. So to do that, click on confirm. As you can see, so currency is USDT, withdrawal address, the address I'm withdrawing to, the quantity I'll be receiving after they've taken out the fees. To then you check this circle here, check it, then you click on confirm to complete the transaction. So withdrawal successful. So we just wait for the USDT to hit our wallet. Okay, so that's to hit our tether wallet. So let's just go here and refresh. Okay, so because it doesn't usually takes less than a minute or two, because of the Tron, because transaction on the Tron blockchain is pretty fast, so it doesn't take much time to complete, to go through. So let's just wait for it. We should be receiving it anytime now. So in the meantime, before it comes through, just guys, just go to my channel, okay, hit that subscribe button on, hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notifications, so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you immediately. And make sure you check out my previous videos too, because basically, for those of you that are new to my channel, or if this is the first time you're coming across my videos, what I do is I make videos on airdrops, that's crypto airdrop, cryptocurrency basically, and ways to make money online. Okay, and I show you guys that you find a video or two on my channel that will be useful to you guys, so make sure you check it out. And these are the two videos I was talking about, the videos I made on RoarQ. So the first video I basically introduced, I made an introductory video on RoarQ, so you can check it out. That's an introduction on how you can make money using RoarQ to trade cryptocurrency pairs. And in the next video, I show you guys how you can start trading, how you can set up the board and start trading and making profits daily using the bot. So that's basically that. So let's go and check if so as you can see, our USDT has just come through. As you can see, we've received it. So basically, it's very easy, and the bot is very functional. So there've not been any complaints so far. So make sure you go over there, you check out the video. On in the description of this video, I'll be dropping a Telegram link. That's a telegram link to my Royal Q team. That's on Telegram. I have a group, or like a group where you can ask questions about Royal Q, you get answers, how you can sign up, how you can get started. I have information there. You can just go there and check it out and get started now. Okay, it's not too late to join the moving train. That's the winning train. So guys, I think this brings us to the end of the video. I need you guys to just smash that like button, smash it very very hard, then comment Royal Q in the comment section below, because basically that will help me reach more people, and so there will be more benefit from, a lot of people benefit more from the videos. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Peace.